Hey everyone, it's Storm Tracking HQ here with another severe thunderstorm warning video. This time it is for the city of Boston, Massachusetts, for about 2 million people. So let's get into this. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued into 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Boston, Massachusetts, Cambridge, Massachusetts, and Quantity, Massachusetts, until 8 p.m. again. It's Central Daylight Time. Your hazards are winds up to 60 mile per hour, hail, C, a pea size hail size possible. Population is about 2 million. 389 schools included, and 40 hospitals are included. So let's go into your towns very quickly. Boston, as we said, Boston's included in this one. There's two of these right here. Newton, Massachusetts. Needham, Massachusetts. Yarnham, Massachusetts. Yon, Massachusetts. Millard, Massachusetts. Lexington, Massachusetts. Yarham, Massachusetts. Skinny, Massachusetts. And Many, Massachusetts. Again, if you are in this watch, or not watch, but severe thunderstorm warning, please, if you get hail, if you get winds, if you get, don't have a tornado possible tag, for goodness sake, unless you're not like Cincinnati, where you got a tornado possible one tag, and you get a tornado warning, but that besides the point. If you live in this warning, and you see, and you get, you experience these wind gusts, and you see any down trees, down power lines, down anything like storm damage, report that to either the NWS or your local or your law enforcement, as well as hail. Public can report the hail to NWS, so that's kind of a plus side. Anyway, this is Storm Tracking HQ signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.